Well, welcome back to Building Dad Bod 2.0 deadlift day. This is my third warm-up set, 354 by 5. My goal was to work up to a top set of 5 at 404 pounds, so up 8 pounds from 396 pounds last week. Had about a 3-week period around Christmas. I was hitting a lot of maxes, so overall volume was down. So I'm just trying to work on upping volume again. Oh, I got a hyperspeed rep there. I was speeding up between reps and anyway, obviously not regular speed. All right, on to 404 here. Just talking about volume. I upped my volume a lot on my previous squat day on Sunday, and then I had some fatigue carry into speed day. And then my glutes and my hamstrings were still kind of fried coming into this deadlift day. But like joints were feeling great, just some muscle fatigue. So I was still confident I could hit this set of 5, but you can see I'm speeding up the little breaks between reps here. It was a slow set. I had to rest more than I would like between reps. So hopefully next week, my body's just adjusting to the volume. Hopefully next week I want to go up again to 410 and have the set be a faster set overall. 5 reps here in real time took about 90 seconds. So it was a long grinder of a set, but that's my heaviest set of 5 overall, so I'll take it. After that, I've been watching Glenn Silverback Strength. 64 years old, closing back in on a 500-pound deadlift. He swears by Snatch grip deadlifts, so I was trying to figure out a way to rig up Snatch grip back extensions, but it just doesn't work on my back extension with the handles the way they are. So I decided instead of doing back extensions, I would do Snatch grip stiff leg deadlifts. That way I could still really focus on hitting the glutes and hamstrings hard. Definitely doing the snatch grip gave me more range of motion, and obviously it hits the upper back a little bit more too. Like I say, just 264 pounds. First time doing these. I'll work on building these up and getting them a lot stronger. Enjoyed the movement. I think it'll be a really valuable accessory for me moving forward. Right now I just want to use it as an accessory with stiff leg, take away the leg drive, and really focus on building up my strength off the floor, minus the leg drive, so that when I add my leg drive back in on conventional, I'm that much stronger. But there will come a day, I think, with the snatch grip where maybe I will run it for a period as my main deadlift, more conventional style, using leg drive, but with the snatch grip. Be fun to try to build that up. Right then, after the deadlift variations, I finished off with 2 sets of Nordic hamstring curls. Just showed a few reps there, but got 15 on the first set, 11 on the second set, and then just 1 set of 10 on the ab roller. I was still really feeling the ab roller from a couple days ago when I hit a set of 15 reps. That's it for today's workout. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.